Here's a tip from a plumber that can save you money. If your tub spout leaks water into the basin, it means that your tub spout has gone bad and it's time for replacement. While there are several kinds of tub spouts, one of the more common ones is secured by an Allen screw that's on the base of the tub spout. Once it's loosened up, you can just pull the tub spout right off. You can see the corrosion on the old one that's causing the problem. Sand the pipe to get it nice and clean. This is just going to help you get the new one in place. And before you put the new one on, you'll want to remove the caulking with a paint scraper or a knife. Another thing that will help is to lubricate it before you push the new tub spout in place. Get a firm grip, twist, and apply pressure at the same time. You really want to get this thing pretty tight. If you don't, the tub spout can come flying off and injure somebody in the knee, but not too tight that you strip the screw. Once in place, clean up the area and you're ready to test it out. Look how this one increases the pressure in the shower head and saves water by not wasting it down the drain. Lastly, you want to dry the area and apply a bead of silicone to prevent water from getting back behind the shower. This kind will dry clear, so you don't have to be perfect, but clean it up as best as you can. If you enjoyed that video on how to save water by replacing your tub spout, follow me, and next up, I'll show you how to repair an even bigger water waster that's inside of everyone's toilet.